So let's do this side before it starts drying. I don't want that. Now here's the other thing, if you're like me and you have an age spot, that because they're typically drier, and I've got one right there, you got to really make sure you go over that quickly so that it doesn't absorb too much color and kind of gets spotty on the age spot. You know what I mean? Does that help for you to understand what I mean? I'm going to pull this down a little. And now let's blend out the nose bone and the bulbous chin. Again, I usually use contour underneath, but I usually use a little blush right on the domey part of that and the nose bone. Not on the sides, just on the end. And that's just to make that, and then underneath, sorry. But usually that's contour, not blush. I like it. And again, it's not pink, it's a purple tone, which is a plum tone, and that's because of what I'm wearing. But, and also, they say that you can use it for your lips too, so let's just put some on the lips. Probably because it's like a stain. Y'all know, this is not the norm. The norm for me at all. I use Chanel lipstick and that's about it. But I'm going to try it. I think it's a lip and cheek. Well, I use it. That's actually not bad. Use a little more. What do you think? Here's the good thing. When you do that, you know what? I could use this as eyeshadow. What do you think? I'm going to do it. It's plum. Let's use it as eyeshadow. And get rid of that melon color. And then this would be a one-stop shop product, y'all. What do you think of that? That would be great. That's pretty. Because I use this color a lot. I mean, not a lot. I usually use browns. But of the colors that are not browns that I like to use, plums are my second favorite. And especially ones that have more of a purple pink tone. So that looks fine. That actually looks pretty. It's definitely harder to manage with your finger. But again, we're just being very simple here. And here's the thing, you don't have to keep the tone on your lid. I did, but I'm almost making this like a transition color. But you could just, you know, I'll just go ahead and do it. You could just go over the bulbous part of the eyelid, the center of the eyelid, and just make it a full color. I wonder if I've got enough to go all the way down on this side or if it's too dried now. Yeah, I think it's working. I think it's working. And you've got to make sure you blend it out good. What do y'all think? So I use this product for eyeshadow. Just going to run it through the lower lashes. I use this for eyeshadow, blush, and lipstick. Or lip stain, if you will. What do y'all think? I actually like it. I think it's kind of a cool thing that you could do 3 of your makeup parts of your regimen from one product. Blush, lipstick, eyeshadow. Now, I can tell you right now, I don't know if that would have worked with this. I don't know. I don't know. It would just been lighter. This would have been more summery, and this one works more for now. So actually, y'all, I like it. And this is, you can get this at your local grocery store. I think also has this, but definitely I got it from Walgreens. So I like it. So y'all comment below and tell me what you think. Okay. So where are we on the video? How far in are we? Oh wow, did we just only go to part 2? Okay, I'll finish it out. I'm just going to go ahead and use, who is this? Just a liner. I already did, but I already lined my eyes this morning, but I'm just going to reinforce. You know, even putting that color through my lashes worked. So if I'd have used a brush. Now, the only thing about when you use a brush that you have to remember, when you use a liquid product or a cream product, it is not the same as using a, what am I trying to say? It's not the same as using a powder product. And I'm going to tell you something else. I thought I had a lip pencil over here. I'm almost positive I did. It makes me so mad. Does that make y'all mad when you're looking for a product and you know it's right under your nose? You know it is. I know I had it. I'm positive I did. Positive. Absolutely positive. It makes me mad. Anyway. But it couldn't hurt to line my lips. I was looking for a lip liner. I'm almost positive I had that. I don't see it sticking up. You little stinger. I don't see it back there either. Alright, I am going to need to cancel these blue under my eyes. And what do? You use a orangey melon tone. And this is Chanticleer's. As you can see, it's a little pump pencil. But that just kind of cancels the blue underneath. And I just need that because for some reason the past couple of days, or really the past week or so, my bags have been worse and the blue under my eyes has been worse. And actually I'm getting more sleep, so I can't figure that out. What do y'all think about that? What do you medically know about that you might want to share with me? Comment below. And instead of my finger, I'm going to use the little, this was from KKW Beauty, and I really do like it because on one end, it's a nice little sponge. I didn't just wet this, which I should have. And it also needs to be washed. I need to put that in the wash stack. Come down there. But it just kind of dabs some back off is what this really does. And it kind of blends it without having brush marks, you know. Come down the nose. And right there in what I call the bulldog crease. And just kind of get those edges. Another way to get the edges is use the other end, this little brush, just kind of fray out the edge a little bit. And then just again, just get right up into there and just make sure you're taking enough of it back off. That it's not too much. Because, I mean, you can make this white or you can leave this right here. You can use concealer. I'm just going to probably leave it, to be honest with you, in the melon color. But, I mean, you can put concealer, a real light concealer or a skin tone concealer over your color corrector. For me, when I do that, you know what? I'm going to also blend the edge here. This really isn't the brush to do this, but since I'm going to be washing it anyway, that's actually a pretty nice completed look. What do y'all think? I kind of like it. Let's throw in some mascara. I'm not going to even curl my lashes. I'm just going to throw in some mascara like a crazy person. Just to pass. Just to make the lashes show up. Not even going to do 2 passes. Not even going to go back in the barrel. Just once. Because yeah, I just don't want to add a lot today. I'm going to be working from home today. And so I'm not going to need a lot. There we go. Oops, that was a boo-boo. I just poked myself in the eye. So that hurted. Poke them that way, poke them that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way. Yeah. So it's just kind of quick and easy. There, I have some lashes. I have a little bit of eyebrows. But I do have a boo-boo, so my boo-boo sticks. I call them my boo-boo sticks. These are from Walgreens, and they're just dual-tipped cotton applicator, 80 count. It just has a pointy end on one end and a flat end on the other. And it's just really good to be able to get under your lashes with the flat end. Especially since I just blinked so hard when I poked myself in the eye. It all went down below. And then also the little pointy ends, good to get right in the little areas that are hard to get to. Actually, I'm going to use the other side of that to blend this out a little bit. You can use this to blend makeup, because it caught on some of the hairs. That's the other thing about cream product. It catches on hairs. So you just got to make sure you blend it good. And, you know, pluck or wax the hairs. I got to say the base makeup does look like it's collecting around hairs and a little bit of separation. It's not awful though. I think it's decent. You may want to dust some powder, you know, to kind of give it a more finished look, which we do have that handy. We'll use the Tarte. This is the Tarte Smooth Operator, and it just will give a more finished look. Where is my little brush? We'll just put that right in there and just kind of dust out the nose and this area where it's going to be the most noticeable. Just kind of helps finish out the look. I don't want to overdo it. Okay, so that's it, y'all. This is a very drummed down makeup look for me, especially the lips, but that's okay. Like I said, I would probably, in this case, I would probably line them. If I knew where my stinking liner was. Where did it go? I mean, where would it go? It was right there in the drawer. Okay. Yeah, see, I'm already wanting to add a little bit more. Or maybe add some lip gloss on top. I bet that takes it off. What do y'all want to bet? What do you want to bet? I'm going to do it really fast. Ain't it very blue?